Oh, hey, hello there. Welcome to the channel there, bud. All jokes aside, yeah, the typical intro is not going to be here. I may have lost the SSD that I typically save everything on, so yeah, I'm fucked.
Fucking Twix, made nice. Where are my headphones? Yeah, they are. Not headphones, but Earring Pro. Hearing Pro. Earring Pro? We got earrings today, boys. Oh, these are full of earwax. Hot. I guess this is a good test for the microphone, huh? Windy. We got a little fucking dead cat on. So as you can see everywhere around, rocks.
I'm not retarded, but I like rocks.
So many rocks to the point where in Fort Kent we got a restaurant called Rocks. No bullshit. There we go. Fire. All right, I'm using rock on the 20 gauge today. It's fucking off for a little bit. Oh, it has been quite some time since I shot a shotgun that was either mine, in my own possession, a friends of mine let me borrow it or some shit. But on top of that, it's also been like 6 years since I've actually been properly hunting. Hey Nick, how you doing? I swear that was a normal circumstance. All right, might as well bring this with me. Yeah, it's one of those moments of I need to get my aim back with a shotgun. Like, look at me. There's a bunch of fucking shotgun shells everywhere as it is. There's already a fucking empty shell there. There's wads everywhere. Motherfuckers come out here to shoot ARs all the time. Actually, funny enough, one of the first videos that I shot was here, and it was like showing off my dagger that I got because it's my first time shooting a dagger. Safe to say I'm still on point with my shots. That went far as fuck. If that was a partridge, you'd be dead. Oh, there's one more. It's ready.